Hello and welcome back everyone. First of all, wishing all of you a very happy new year. Hope this new year brings lots of joy and happiness to one and all of you. Now let's talk about the series. India made a dramatic end to 2020, winning the second test by 8 wickets. Not many of them gave a hope to India, but after the 36-run debacle, many former cricketing greats and cricket pundits said that not only would India lose this series, but would be whitewashed 4-0. Just like great teams do, India let their game do the talking. They lost the toss on a good batting track, skittled Australia out for under 200 and then scored a 300 plus total thanks to the stand-in skipper Ajinkya Rahane. Once again, they skittled Australia out for 200 runs and did the formalities by losing just 2 wickets. So, the series is now tied at 1-1. Now we move ahead to the Sydney cricket ground. What are the changes for both these teams? Well, India have already named their final 11. Mayank Agarwal and the injured Umesh Yadav is no longer available. And in their place, Rohit Sharma comes into the team. In place of Umesh Yadav, Navdeep Saini will be making it to the final 11. So pretty good final 11 for India, though there's a little bit of inexperience in the bowling department. But I think the last test, it was a altogether wonderful team effort. Shubham Gill and Mohammad Siraj playing their debut games, performed beautifully well. Ravindra Jadeja played as an all-rounder, scored a 50, picked up wickets. Jasprit Bumrah and Ravichandran Ashwin are in great form. So India look pretty settled right now. What about Australia? Well, Australia will be boosted by the return of David Warner. Tim Paine and Justin Langer have confirmed that David Warner will be playing the third test in spite of him not being 100% fit. Well, that shows the kind of position Australia is in. They are pretty desperate. They want Warner back because they are not getting the opening partnerships from the openers. So with Warner back, we would hope that they can lay a good foundation at the start of the innings. Will Pucovski is also drafted in. We are not sure whether he will be playing the third test in place of Matthew Wade or not. That will be confirmed only on the day of the match by Australia. Well, Australia's batting has been pretty poor this series. The highest score in the series so far has been 200. Well, that kind of score won't win you matches. India, on the other hand, have been the better side. And had it not been for that 1 hour spell on the third day of the first test, India could have well been 2-0 up in the series. Well, all said and done, makes for a wonderful contest for the third test between India and Australia. India need to win just one more test to retain the Border Gavaskar series, and if they do that, it will be a big feather in the cap for the Indian team with 2 back-to-back tours to Australia where they have not lost. If they do that, it would be great for India. Australia, on the other hand, would be wounded. They would be roaring to get back and would want a win here in Sydney. Warner and Steve Smith have wonderful records at the Sydney cricket ground, and Australia would be banking on them. A lot of the bowlers, Mitchell Starc, Hazelwood, are also from Sydney, so they will be banking on the bowlers to know the conditions and hope they can win it for Australia this time around. The series is level at 1-1. Remember, there is the WTC finals also happening this year. India have 6 more tests remaining, 2 against Australia and 4 against England at home. India needs to win 4 out of the 6 to qualify for the finals. Australia, on the other hand, have a series coming up against South Africa and they would also need to win to qualify for the finals. The third team in contention is New Zealand, who has had a wonderful run at home. They are presently placed at second place, and if India could win 4 and Australia win a series, we would be seeing Australia versus India at Lord's for the WTC finals. Well, for now, it's for the third test coming up on the 7th of January at the Sydney Cricket Ground. Do watch it. Do send in your likes and comments, and please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until next time, goodbye.